From last year, average sales have decreased by minus 16.8%. However, the average prices have increased by a whopping 27.7%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 854 units. The average price, $1,225,339. The average selling price versus list price was 116%, and the average days on market was 9 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 918 units. The average price, $1,346,275. The average selling price versus list price was 116%, and the average days on market was 6 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 307 units. The average price, $1.768,448. The average selling price versus list price was 113%, and the average days on market was 8 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 240 units. The average price, $1,352,705. The average selling price versus list price was 119%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 247 units. The average price, $1,457,249. The average selling price versus list price was 117%, and the average days on market was 9 days. Thank you for watching this month's market report. For a detailed report, please call 905-334-5883 and we'll be sure to get that emailed or mailed out to you. If you're planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call and let us show you why now might be the best time for your move.